Dr. Jagriti. Today I am with all of you with my new video. This is period of so much uncertainty as pandemic is going on, and already 5 or 6 months before it started, and since then so many things have been changed. Our lifestyle is changed. So many things have been changed. So due to that, many of us are feeling different problems, such as some are feeling stress, some are feeling anxiety, some are feeling depression. So I think today, as it is a very relevant topic, so we should discuss what exactly anxiety is. Look, optimum level of anxiety or stress is essential for our response or for our performance. But when it increases from that optimum or normal level, then it becomes a problem or a disorder. Anxiety disorders are a group of mental disorders characterized by exaggerated feelings of anxiety and fear responses. Anxiety is a worry about future events, and fear is a reaction to current events. These feelings may cause so many symptoms: physical symptoms, behavioral symptoms, psychological symptoms, spiritual symptoms, which we will discuss later on. So, there are many types of anxieties. We actually don't call them anxieties, but related disorders, uh, which uh, which have very mild difference among them. Just such as generalized anxiety disorder, obsessive compulsive disorder, panic disorder, post traumatic stress disorder, social phobias. All these may, like, somewhere we may get confused that which are the symptoms of anxieties and which are the symptoms of these disorders, which are very near to anxiety. So let's discuss some of the symptoms of anxiety. How we will recognize that some person, that Mr. A, Mr. B is suffering from anxiety disorder. So first of all, we will discuss the behavioral symptoms. A person who is suffering from anxiety disorder will become very vigilant, hyper vigilant, and he will get irritated very soon. He will be restless most of the time. And if we talk of cognitive symptom, the lack of concentration will be there. Racing thoughts, the thoughts will come up, like jumping thoughts will be there. Thoughts, one thought is coming, one is going, and all that are unwanted thoughts. Most of them are negative, like overthinking. That person will start overthinking. And if we will talk of physical symptoms, fatigue will be there, excessive sweating, palpitations, nausea, fear feeling, feeling of impending doom, trembling. All these may be the physical symptoms. And along with that, the person will whole time he will be excessive worried. So, and there may be some spiritual symptoms also, such as that person may say कि अरे भगवान मेरे साथ सब क्यों गड़बड़ करते हैं, और भगवान को उठा के अलग रख दो, पूजा करना बंद कर देता हूँ. तो there will be so many symptoms in different categories. Now, if generally, in general we will talk, तो हेडेक्स हो सकते हैं, स्टमक अपसेट हो सकता है, डिजीनेस हो सकती है, एक्सेसिव फ्रीक्वेंट यूरिनेशन हो सकता है, शॉर्टनेस ऑफ ब्रीथ हो सकती है, या मसल टेंशन, ट्विचिंग, ये सब फील हो सकता है. तो अगर बहुत ही जल्दी जल्दी आपका जो पर्सन है, इंडिविजुअल है, इफ यू आर फीलिंग सच प्रॉब्लम्स, देन यू शुड डेफिनेटली टेक केयर ऑफ, और आपको थोड़ा ध्यान देना चाहिए कि कहीं आपको एंग्जाइटी डिसऑर्डर तो नहीं है. अब हम देखें व्हाट कैन कॉज anxiety. There may be so many reasons. Uncertainty of time, जैसे हम वर्क कर रहे हैं, हम वर्क प्लेस पे हैं, वहाँ का स्ट्रेस, बच्चों को स्ट्रेस स्कूल से जो मिल रहा है, वो स्ट्रेस इन पर्सनल रिलेशनशिप सच एज मैरिज और पीयर ग्रुप, financial stress can be a source of anxiety, and global occurrences or political issues, stress from emotional trauma, such as the death of loved ones, stress from serious medical ailment, even side effect of medicines also can cause anxiety. use of illicit drugs which are banned, such as cocaine or some other drugs, that also can cause anxiety. Symptoms of medical illness such as heart attack, hypertension, uh, diabetes, all this may also cause anxiety. So lack of oxygen also sometimes become a prime cause of this anxiety disorder. So we have discussed what anxiety disorders are. We have discussed the symptoms of anxiety disorders. Now, what are the remedies? What is immediate treatment for these disorders? So first of all, we should give attention to our sleep. We should get enough sleep. Like we should go to bed early. We should rise early, and we should take sufficient amount of sleep. That is very essential for like if you are having anxiety. Meditation, exercises, like staying active and working out. This is also very important thing to get rid of anxiety or to get your mental health back. Along with this, food also plays, a healthy diet also plays a very vital role. We should eat green veggies, we should drink green tea, and all the fruits we should eat. So we should incorporate the healthy diet in our diet plan. And one thing is very important, that we should avoid alcohol, we should avoid caffeine, like we should not drink much of tea and coffee and cold drinks. We should quit smoking. This is very essential because this is going to exaggerate your anxiety disorder. So this is very important. And if you feel with these changes in your lifestyle, these things are not working, still you are having same problems, same behavioral problems, same psychological problems, same social problems, so you should immediately meet a doctor or see a doctor. Because sometimes what happens, many negative thoughts comes to your mind, you start self-harming yourself. So you should not wait. Immediately you should see a doctor, you should see a professional, psychiatrist, that professional may be psychiatrist, counselor, psychologist. So you should immediately see, you need a medical care. And this is like there are few tests through which, there are few anxiety tests through which you come to know, or your doctor can assess very easily that you are having anxiety disorder or you are having normal anxiety or what exactly it is. But seeing a doctor, taking care of yourself, it's very essential. If there is something alarming और unusual, you should immediately take care of. क्योंकि हम देख रहे हैं कि अभी रिसेंटली हमने लखनऊ में ही एक बच्चे का केस देखा, जिसका कहीं पर एक डिप्रेशन, उसकी एंजाइटी, उसका जो मेंटल हेल्थ था, उसके इग्नोरेंस की वजह से इतनी सारी प्रॉब्लम्स हो गई। और तो हमें किसी भी छोटी चीज़ को, कि हम क्या रख रहे हैं, हम अपने रूम को कैसे सजा रहे हैं, हम लोगों से किस तरह मिल रहे हैं, हमने कहीं खुद को आइसोलेट तो नहीं कर लिया है, हमारा जो डे टू डे लाइफ का हमारा जो छोटी सी चीज़ें हैं, उनको ध्यान में रख के वी कैन ईजिली असेस कि वेदर अ पर्सन इज़ नॉर्मल और समथिंग इज गोइंग रॉन्ग। अगर हम बहुत इनिशियल स्टेज पे इसको देखिए, किसी भी बीमारी के साथ होता है कि अगर हम इसको बहुत इनिशियल स्टेज पे हम उसको डायग्नोज कर लेते हैं तो बहुत जल्दी वो बीमारियाँ ठीक हो जाती हैं। ज़्यादा रिगोरस ट्रीटमेंट में भी हमें नहीं जाना पड़ सकता है और इसकी वजह से किसी को कोई मिसहैपनिंग या किसी को कोई प्रॉब्लम भी नहीं होती। तो बहुत ज़रूरी है एक तरह की मेंटल अलर्टनेस इन चीज़ों को लेके, और सबसे ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है अवेयरनेस इन चीज़ों को लेके। और यही मोटिव था मेरा आपको ये वीडियो दिखाने का, कि छोटी चीज़ों से किस तरह पहचाने कि अगर हमें एंजाइटी हो रही है या हमें ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम होने वाली है, तो किस तरह से हम हाउ टू आइडेंटिफाई इट, एंड एज सून एज पॉसिबल वी शुड स्टार्ट डीलिंग विद इट इन अ वेरी पॉजिटिव मैनर. So this is all, and we will definitely meet with some good topic, some tempting topic in our next video. And till then, bye bye, see you.